and today we're gonna make a day completely about food.
Can you explain this project in a few words for us?
We are investigating prehistoric cuisine, focusing on the plant foods only. But then we want to see prehistoric cultures of Europe, to see how they differed and in what sense they were similar, and how things changed, how cuisine changed through time. And we are also interested in what has survived today.
So today we eat history.
Alright, thank you very much.
Maybe it's a way to go back to base and see how different, how processed our food is now and how different it was back then.
Do you think it's important to keep all these old things alive?
Yeah, definitely. You learn from this and it helps you whatever you do.
Okay. What they want to do, they want to keep or get back the old ones and add new ingredients and new recipes, and to combine these two to have a huge variety at the end. And we are very grateful that we were able to meet you. And now we enjoy our food because it's delicious.